I mean,
I
dude,
would,
these restorations are so like amazing. Like,
yeah,
you know, they're literally able to go in and remove all of like the dirt and hairs and everything from the prints digitally
right.
these days, one at a time. That was one of the technologies that the restoration team had was instrumental in developing. So, yeah, you know, whether they're old black and white films, whether they're old animation, just once they go through this restoration process, they feel so clean and so vibrant, and the lines are made to be so crisp and everything that, yeah, you'd
Mhm.
be forgiven for thinking these films were made 20 or 30 years after they actually were.